Hello, do you know the answers to these questions? So, we have 17 plus 100, 8 plus 100, or a bit of a harder one, 140 take away 100. So, give you a second. If you don't know the answers to that, that's fantastic because I'm here to help you. So, today we're learning about how to add or subtract 100 from any given number. So, 17 plus 100, what do you do? So you know you have the number 17 and all you have to do is add one more digit at the start of it. And because we have 100, that means you put the number 1 there. So we've got 1 from the 100 and then you copy this number. So it's 100 and then you add 17. So together that equals 117. Let's move on. So same principle, 100 plus 8. So it's 3 digits again. So we're going to have to put a circle in the middle. So you start with the 1 at the start from the 100. But because you don't have a 10, it means you have to put a 0. And then you put the number 8. So together, that equals 108. Now finally, 140 take away 100. So, what you have to do is just take away this 1, which represents the 100. So take away that 1, and you are left with 40. And that's it. So it's from 140, and you take away the 100 from it, and you are left with 40. All right, use that information, smash the next game, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye!